up guys, Honeslty I here, bringing you another vlog. I have a lot of explaining to do, so hear me out here. Every piece of information that I recorded in this video got corrupted. I don't know why it is that specific day of working on the truck and doing the LED install, that whole day got corrupted. But it got corrupted mid-editing. So I have the entire video of me editing it, or of everything that happened, for the most part, except for the first 3 videos. So here's the deal here. The first 3 videos got corrupted, so I'm gonna show you what you have to do. It's all gonna be in order of how it should be. It's just they're gonna be 2 different days, but I'm gonna show you the beginning and how it works. So basically, what happened is the first 3 videos were me saying what's up, telling you what we're doing, and then I showed you the very first step to removing the headlights, because you gotta take the grill off and everything. So I made a new first step video of what you have to do, and then from there it's gonna be the original content. But here's the kicker, is I can't save any of the content that I made because everything got corrupted. So I can still view it, I just can't save it. I can't, once I close out, it's done. So instead of giving you guys nothing, I'm going to record everything that got corrupted. I'm going to record the computer playing it. So I know it's gonna be kind of crappy quality for some of it, but it's kind of what has to be done. So I'm sorry for that, but like I said, I'm gonna be recording the computer playing it off to you. It's gonna be crappy quality, but everything else, everything that I have, I'm going to play normal quality for you guys. So I'm sorry for the confusion. Everything's in order, don't worry about it. Let's get back to the video. Alright, so here's what I was talking about with the plastic like cover piece. Just a bunch of speed clips. There's one there, here, and then the same area on the other side. Just kind of pry it off, pop it off, and then it'll expose what you'll see in the next clip. And here's what the LEDs look like in the daytime, if you can see them. Alright, so now that we got that plastic piece off, there's a 10 mil here, 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 and here, and those are the only bolts for the grill, but then there's tabs underneath, and I'll show you guys how to do that as well. As you can see, it wobbles like this. If I remember correctly, it kind of, from over here, it swings out like a door. You have to kind of push your hand under there and push it out, and it'll kind of swing out like a door and it'll pull out. That's the correct way to do it without breaking any tabs. So there's a bolt here and there, and then there's one underneath this flap. There's like, okay, so like, I don't know if you can see it. There's a speed clip right there, and you get like this little door, and you can open that up and access the last bolt in the back. So right there's where the bolt was, and that tab you have to push in, and I guess you're supposed to hear it click, and you'll know that white tab, you'll know it released the headlight. Alright, so this is what I was talking about. It's pulled down, not push in. But yeah, the headlight is now out, and now we can change the bulb. Which one's your highest? And the old bulb. So far, kind of pissed because open the package and the box looks like this. Hope they're not too damaged.
Yeah, this is different. Did it come with all the wires? Cool. Let me see that.
I don't know.
I didn't need it on my pickup, remember?
Yeah, true.
Okay.
That's true.
Yeah, this is the skull, this small one, so this has to go. Alright, we'll have to try it and see if it works, you know. I'll hold it up in front of the camera. Yep. Oh god, it works, it works. Ow. Dude, that all tucks in there pretty well. That's actually kind of exciting. It's not in there right, but you can see. Oh yeah. Alright, so there's the LEDs.
Oh, yes.
And there's his garbage standards. Alright, there's the garbage standard lights. There's his LEDs, which obviously you can't really see because they're so bright it blurs the camera.
I can still tell I'm not one yellow. Ugly, not ugly.
The true enough friend to help you.
True.
Alright, so literally it was so easy. You saw how we got it out, and literally just push it back in, it clips in. Hold on, pull that out real quick. All of the wiring,
Yeah, it all fits in this hole.
so literally everything, as you guys saw, fits in that hole, and you can close it back up and seal it. No problems there whatsoever. And then it just kind of pushes back in, and you pull down that tab, and just screw it back in, and you're good to go.
Alright, go. Man, it does not want to focus to them lights. Okay. Alright, we got them all installed. They look 10 times better than they did.
All right, so now that I got some nighttime to show you guys here, here is the LEDs at night, and this is what they look like. This is off, this is on, that's just headlights. This is fog lights, headlights. Just headlights and with fogs. And I did now aim them so they're not ridiculously bright. Like this is what it would look like if you're coming at a car's coming at you. And I know it looks bad on camera, but it's really not. Like this is coming at you. This is what it used to be. So for those people who are like, oh, LEDs, all they do is shine in your eyes, that people just don't aim them right. They used to look like this where they are now, but since I aimed them right, they're pretty good now. So there you guys go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found this video helpful if you're looking to do it to your Ram. Pretty easy. That plastic piece comes off, take the grill out, and 3 bolts for the headlight, and then all of the wiring fits inside of the, well, you guys saw it, all the wiring fits inside the casing itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.